Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of Miss Planet. We are so glad you could join us. This week we have requests that I've gotten from multiple community members. This one in particular is for Jada, and she asked simply, how do I create this on a budget? I get it, Jada. A centerpiece like this could run anywhere from $300 to $400 a piece to rent for an evening. But guess what? I am going to help you create that look for pennies on the dollar. And you're not going to realize just how easy it is. We're going to use a Dollar Tree pool noodle. Yes, you heard that right. We're going to create this with some Dollar Tree finds and fill it in with some Amazon buys. So, what are we waiting for? Let's get started with this week's project, Garden Candelabra. Okay guys, let's get to it. So the candelabra will take you about 5 to 10 minutes to put together. It's super simple. Then we're going to cut about a 14-inch piece of our Dollar Tree pool noodle. We're going to split it in half and then split it in fourths. Make sure to trim off any of the excess. It doesn't have to be a perfect cut, but just try to make it as even as possible. From there, we're going to go ahead and take our chicken wire, and I am using about 6 sections across. I'm going to take my wire cutters and cut right after the sixth section, and that will create a perfect cylinder around our pool noodle. Very simple, very easy. We're going to wrap that chicken wire right around our piece of pool noodle, and we're going to make sure to tuck the end so that nothing pointy is sticking out that can, cause you a little bit of uh-oh moment later on. So make sure you tuck those ends right into the pool noodle, and now we are ready to attach it to our candelabra. Once you have achieved the shape that you're going for around your candelabra, and the shape is completely up to you, I just modeled the kind of cascading shape that they had in the inspiration picture, but you can wrap it tighter, you can wrap it looser, it's really up to you. We're going to attach it then with our floral wire, and we just continue to wrap it. I do attachment at the top, then I do an attachment at the bottom, and finally I'll attach it at the center point. So I put multiple floral links into the description for the supplies. I like to use stems as well as the buds. So for my stems, I like to add a little greenery to my cascade. It's completely up to you. So if you just want to use the buds, you're just going to snip off your little wire, make sure you attach it to the bud, and then it's ready to go right into your mold. I've given you two candle links in the description. One is just your regular tapered, and the other one is a flameless one that actually comes with a remote control. I love both of them. You can use the flameless one if you're in a venue that does not allow live fire. Well guys, how did we do? It's absolutely enchanting. Actually, one of my daughters says it reminds her of Bridgerton. So, okay, I'll take that as a compliment. Absolutely. Well, I hope you like this week's project, and if you do, by all means like us and subscribe so you can be the first to know when our videos are posted. In addition to that, if there's a comment or a question that you have, please leave it right down there in the comment section. Now, I must admit, it does take me a minute to get to the comments, but we have such a wonderful DIY community here on our YouTube channel that if I can't get to it fast enough, trust me, there'll be someone else there that will offer their assistance. And I just love our YouTube channel and our community for that. In addition to that, if you would like to submit a project request, go ahead and do that also. We'll talk more about that in just a second. But let's say you want to hang out more with us. We would love it. You can follow us on our social media, and that would be Facebook, Twitter, now known as X, I guess, Instagram, and don't forget our wonderful Pinterest page. I love our Pinterest page. I do the post myself. I do not hire anyone to do the post. I do the post. So you are sincerely looking at things that I love and want to maybe try and attempt. In addition to that, if you would like to save more money, sign up for your Rakuten account. Go down to the links, click the link, sign up for your account. When you're ready to shop, sign on to your account and make your qualified purchases to receive a check at the end of the month. Once again, our time has come to an end. It goes by so fast. We so appreciate you guys choosing to hang out with us on MissPlanet.com. We know you have so many options here on YouTube, and we do not take you spending time with us lightly, so thank you very much. Like I said, if you would like to submit a project request, go on over to our website, MissPlanet.com. You can go to the links below or simply click right there in the corner. It will take you right to our wonderful website that has picture and written instructions for most of our projects, as well as fantastic cost-saving tips that we can't really go into on our YouTube channel because we have very little time. So head on over to our website, MissPlanet.com, to hang out with us more and just get more cost-saving tips and inspiration. In addition to that, you can also click on the project request tab and follow the very simple steps. It does not take much time, but please do it sooner than later because our production schedule fills up so fast and I hate telling anyone no. Don't forget that all of the links to all of the supplies are in our description below. As always, there for you to use as you take our plan and make it your own. So with that said, guys, always remember, when every penny counts, you can count on Miss Planet. Please take care of yourself. We will see you soon. God bless.